Well, now we've well and truly moved into the early hours of Christmas Day 1993, and we've come to the end of our list of programmes for tonight here on BBC One. But fear not, you only have to wait a mere 3.5 hours before our Christmas Day lineup gets underway in earnest. But if even that seems like too long, then BBC Radio is the place to tune to. On Radio 1 at the moment, you'll find Pete Tong's Christmas Mix, while on Radio 2, Alan Dedicate is aboard the night ride, and he tells me he has at least half a bottle of mulled wine and a few mince pies left, so why not join him? But meanwhile, back here on BBC One, I hope you've enjoyed our festive lineup. Plenty more to come tomorrow. But for now, on behalf of the whole team working here, this is Peter Offer wishing you a very good night and a happy Christmas.